Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Carnival Mardi Gras. This particular category is a Cove Balcony. It's down on the lower decks, and I'll show you what that looks like outside. Now keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite, make sure you do it at harrtravel.com. We have the interactive deck plans. You can pick the exact room or suite that works perfectly for you, your friends, or your family, and get that signature Harr Travel service. Let me show you what the room's all about. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, make sure you put your room key in this power saving device. You want to make sure and do that because that activates all of the lights and the electrical charging, things along those lines as well. You've got your climate control right here, and then directly across, you're going to find your storage. So in here, you're going to have these shelves. I really like that the shelves can be adjusted, so you can put them up and away or down, depending on what storage needs you have. You've got hanging storage up above, your safe right here, perfect for a passport, wallet, small device, things like that. Right here, you've got the baskets that pull out. It's a really nice, convenient feature. And then underneath, this pulls out completely as well. Once again, some great convenient features built in. Next up, you have the rest of your storage. So you've got more hanging storage up and down, more of those adjustable shelves as well. Now directly across, you're gonna find the bathroom. As I step in here, you can see that the toilet's tucked away in the corner. You have your magnifying mirror right here, a little bit of storage underneath and then storage up and down. You've got a single vanity, and I like the way they've designed these showers. I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6", and if I step in, I love that there's not a shower curtain. You got a glass door there. I've got enough room to spread out. You've got the adjustable shower wand that can go up and down, and then you also have the clothesline right here, so you can dry off your suits after a day at the beach. As we continue into the space, you can see you have a large couch here. If you have more than 2 passengers staying in the room, this is also gonna double as bedding. Now keep in mind, they'll do turn down service every single evening, and they'll make it up for you in the morning. You have a reading lamp right here as well, a nice little touch for anybody sleeping there. Now directly across, you're gonna find your backlit mirror. It's a perfect place to sit and get ready. You've got a stool that pulls out, or of course you can sit and use it as a writing desk. You've got storage all the way underneath here. You've got a mini fridge and a couple shelves, including a ton of vanity space. I love the charging station, 3 US plugs and 4 USBs. Next up, you'll find your bed. Now it's put together right now for a large bed configuration. It can also be separated out into 2 twins, and that you have nightstands on the side. You also have reading lamps that have a USB charger built in on either side. Really nice to charge your phone overnight. There's enough room underneath as well to tuck your luggage away. Directly across, you're gonna find a large flat panel TV, perfect for watching television, or because it's interactive, you can also see what's going on throughout the ship. So now we're out on the private veranda. It's not a huge one. In fact, you can see why it's a cove, because it's tucked back just a little bit and it's not completely open. That said, it's a private outdoor space. You get that fresh air and the incredible ocean views. You're down a little bit lower, so you actually get some better views down here. Now you've got 2 chairs and a table, perfect place to take advantage of that room service menu, have a nice cup of coffee in the morning, or maybe a cocktail in the evening. Now when you're ready to book your next cabin or suite, make sure you do it at harrtravel.com. Once again, you can take advantage of those interactive maps on there, pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your family or group, and we can do it for you at an incredible value. We greatly appreciate the opportunity, and thank you so much for watching today.